Tired of cluttered screens and endless tabs? Virtual desktops could be your new favorite productivity hack. Virtual desktops let you create separate spaces on your computer to keep projects organized, reduce distractions, and make multitasking way easier. Imagine having a desktop for work, one for personal projects, and another for entertainment, all organized and ready. Let's see how easy it is to set up and manage them. Windows Setup, 20 seconds. Show your screen as you demonstrate. Press Windows plus Tab, and at the top, click plus New Desktop. Now you have a second desktop. You can open different apps on each one and easily switch by pressing Ctrl plus Windows plus left or right arrow. Demonstrate by swiping up with 3 fingers or pressing F3 on a Mac. Click plus in Mission Control to create a new desktop. Switch between desktops with a simple swipe left or right. Suggest practical tips. Organize by project. Keep work apps on one desktop and entertainment on another. Or split by focus. One for deep work, one for casual browsing. Emphasize how this helps clear mental clutter, letting you focus on tasks without distraction. Mention a few advanced tips quickly. Windows users can rename desktops or even have unique backgrounds on each. Mac users can drag windows from desktop to desktop in Mission Control for quick organization. And that's it! You're now set to master multitasking like a pro with virtual desktops. Call to action. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more productivity hacks, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use virtual desktops.